everybody, we are here for a very quick video. I ordered something in the end of January, or was it early February? Anyways, and it's from Lady Falcon Travelers. And I ordered one of these, I guess I didn't cut it enough. I ordered one of these towards the end of last year in the B6 slim size. And the husband liked it so much. And then I ended up switching back to my personal size. So I decided to order one in the, they tried to cram it in my mailbox. So I ordered one in the personal size. So let's see what we have here. And the shipping on this was very fast. I think it only took like a week or so. So, oh, very cool. So here's the bag. Oh, and all the other stuff that comes with it. Okay. Let me... And you know, these things, if you want to like recycle them, they work really great if you're planting a plant and you need to put something at the bottom to help create a good drain for a plant, but you know, don't want to use rocks or something. These work really great. Just a little recycle. So here is Monique's business card, Lady Falcon Travelers. And that is all of her information, just in case you need it. And it came with a beautiful bookmark. Feels really nice. And their brochure as well. So we will set that stuff there. And this is what I have been using the last week or so. Let's see. I love it because it looks like a pretty little blue pillowcase for my traveler's notebook. Okay, make sure I got everything out of there. Yes. I'll set that up there. There's another one of the, talking about the different leathers. How this is the Morgana and how to care for it. Okay. Now, I've never gotten a personal size notebook from Monique. So I'm kind of anxious to see what this is like. And I'm gonna tear around that. Ooh, so this is that same blue that, oh my goodness, there's all these goodies. So I was sent one of these with my last order, and what it is it's to hold earbuds, and I have been using mine and I love it. I think they come in this heart shape or circle shape, and they're just really cute, and it's a really nice leather. Let's see what's in here. Usually it's like a charm or elastic. So there's an extra piece of elastic. Oh, and a Hamza. Here you go. Look at that. So pretty. So she always includes some sort of a charm. And so this is the Autumn Sky. It's this gorgeous blue-gray, a beautiful neutral. And I ordered it with a secretarial pocket in the front and a full pocket in the back. And she included one of her inserts, and this is just a beautiful hand-stitched, see that? Boop, doop, doop. Oh, wow. And I think this is a Clairefontaine paper. It looks very similar to one of the Clairefontaine notebooks that I have. And so she always does this and includes a beautiful, see how that says John? And then she always has these lovely, lovely bookmarks, like with the beads, and that one looks like a little envelope. And I think this is just another really beautiful bead down there. I might put the Hamza on. So let's see. And I didn't get it with a pen loop just because pen loops and me, I'm not a big fan of them attached to the notebook. So let's see. So here's my month. There's the monthly calendar. And one thing I love about Monique's is I try to keep my notebook as light as possible. So with this, I probably won't use any dashboards or anything like that. And I just got this, but I don't know, it might fit. Let's see. I might go to my, back to my, no, I think that'll fit. Oh, perfect. I was like, oh, maybe I'll go back to my, Farouf-inspired one. And then I can also put my Weight Watchers book in the front or in the back. And since there are 2 bookmarks, I'm going to put this first one here at our month. And then I'm going to put this second one here at the day. And look how beautiful that is. I can't even tell if I'm in the screen. Yeah, I am. Sorry, I've got such a mess on the table. But look how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness. I'm loving it. I think I might tighten that. That's a little bit loose. But this is the Morgana Leather. So it is a little bit thicker than her original leather that she uses. And it does have structure, but I love the fact that the inside is black, even the inside of this pocket. So it is a firmer leather, but she has it in some of the most gorgeous colors. Look at that. Okay, I will link down below Monique's shop. I have a code where you can get, I think I get something and you get something for me referring you. I will put the link down below. This was a notebook that I paid with my own money. If you watched my January and February, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.